flexing our ate's box kay nabili niya. So I thought gamit ni sa iyang school for engineering purposes. Okay, it's very organized man. Ang kanin sudlanan is ako naghatag niya guys sa silicone jacket ni sa akong aqua flash. Iyang recycle. As you can see, na mga putos-putos, nagkagmay, may mga maliliit na packs na andyan na colorful pa. Then it is labeled as kung emergency ra na 1 to 30, 98 to 100, total is 762. So I don't expect na these are the coins that she had saved for emergency purposes. Congrats ate for doing such a good job.